Good morning, friends. Back by popular demand, it's our city marathon tours. And if you can't already tell from the White House right behind me, today we are exploring one of America's most historic cities, Washington, D.C. We designed our very own full marathon tour, hitting all the most famous, beautiful sights around the city, and we are so excited to show you DC.
Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber.
Whoa, look up! Elise! You guys, this is some monument when you're right here. Woo! We're a little out of breath because we're trying to run as fast as we can to get into all the major sites before it just gets swarmed with tourists. Right now, it's perfect.
Perfect. Beautiful. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Gorgeous.
Are we gonna go down and visit Lincoln?
We are gonna go
right down there.
Lincoln. Let's do it.
Majesties, above the fruited plain.
Wow! Wow, look at this! You guys, I hope you can see the Lincoln Memorial reflected in that lake.
Wow, I feel like this is so historic right now.
Wow, and then look at this way.
This is so cool and no one's here.
This is really cool. I'm feeling super patriotic right now.
Me too. Go America.
I love America.
I love it too.
This is really awesome.
I've never felt so patriotic than at this moment. This is so awesome running along this.
Is this like maybe the greatest run in America? Like, are you kidding me with this?
I think it has to be.
You got the Washington Monument behind. You got the Lincoln Memorial up in front. This huge, beautiful lake. Wow.
Everyone should exercise their right as an American and do the DC Marathon.
Exercise your right to exercise.
Yes.
With brotherhood from sea to shore.
Wow.
Honest Abe.
We're here. Honest Abe.
What do you think of Honest Abe?
I think it's quite a spectacular sculpture, actually.
It's actually quite good. This guy is way bigger than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, I know. Look at it compared to Elise. All right, boo-boo. We still got 20 miles to go. Okay, guys. We are now running along the Potomac.
Woohoo!
I don't know if this is exactly where George Washington threw the silver dollar across, but, you know, so the legend goes. Honestly, it would be a very long throw.
Do you think he also did morning runs along the Potomac?
I don't know, but that if he could throw something all the way across this, I'm sure he could probably run faster than us too.
What a guy.
Guys, we're about 7 miles in, and we just had to show you the view from this bridge because you got the Washington Memorial there and the Jefferson Memorial over there.
This bridge is so pretty.
It's a pretty spectacular city.
God, it's so good so far.
This is my guy. Thomas Jefferson's my favorite. No, because he was a scholar. He was really smart and he spoke multiple languages and he was just chill.
He was chill?
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah, Washington was kind of aggro. He was moody because of his teeth. But Jefferson was super chill. He needed a good life.
Welcome to Adam's history lesson. Doesn't everyone wish that Adam was their U.S. history teacher?
Don't you wish I was the... Describe Jefferson. Aggro, chill.
Chill.
Those are your,
I'm gonna go with chill.
A or B. This is a super cool building. I just want to show you guys like the 360 of it. So like there's Jefferson in the middle. So you can see him. And then you can spin around and the whole thing is just open. Really beautiful. At least according to this statue, Jefferson also had some really big feet. Look at those hoppers.
I don't know. Do you think he had bigger feet than you?
I think he might. Those things are huge.
Did he have to order special shoes just like
I mean,
you?
compared to his shins, all right, let's see. Look at TJ's shoe compared to his shin.
Do you think this is...
And then look at mine compared to... he definitely has the bigger feet. My feet are pretty big. Mine are 13s, but I think...
Do you think this is sculptured to scale?
I don't know, but if it is, TJ had like 17s. What a beast. I'm not surprised. Like I said, he was the best.
Chill with big feet.
Yeah. What more can you really ask in a man?
What more do you need? Dream man. I am 99.9% sure that Adam just decided he needs a snack.
I think that this is the perfect snack spot. You got the Washington in the front, beautiful reflection in the water right here, and you got Thomas Jefferson right behind you. Where else would you want to be?
All right, I'll give it to you. It's pretty good.
And a foot dangle.
And a foot dangle? Oh, I gotta see that. Let me see. Wow. Could you be any more stoked?
This is the D.C. snack spot right here. To the Capitol.
Beautiful for heroes proved in liberating strife.
Oh boy. We were on a good clip with our run, but Adam saw the flowers and the Triceratops sculpture and he could not contain himself.
Come on. Flowers, interesting plants, and a Triceratops? You gotta stop for that.
Oh boy.
God shed his grace on thee and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to
Yes.
The Capitol.
Wow.
Ah.
We made it to the Capitol.
It really is amazing to think how much legislation has been enacted here.
I know. I mean, for better and worse, I'm sure. But
Exactly.
But you know what they say? Democracy is the worst form of government, except for all the other ones.
Is that what they say?
That's what they say. So from here, I think we go to Haines Point towards the Pentagon.
Towards the Pentagon. Yeah.
Do this.
This run is so great.
Well, Haines Point is gorgeous. It's kind of a long way around the golf course to get down here.
Yeah.
I would recommend it more as a bike ride, I think, than a run.
It is really nice. I mean, if you want like just a shorter run, you can run all along the water down to the little peninsula. It's pretty
It's
nice.
quite lovely, although it
Yeah.
doesn't quite compare to the National Mall. That was spectacular with all the
That
monuments.
was awesome.
But now we go back down around the point, and we kind of get back towards the Jefferson before we head over to the Pentagon, right?
Pentagon. 14th Street Bridge. It's wild out here.
Gorgeous!
See the Pentagon over there?
Look at that shot of the Pentagon and this marina.
That is awesome. This route is just working out so perfectly for us.
It is really a gorgeous route. Okay. It says authorized personnel only, Elise. Are you authorized?
I don't know. Do I look authorized?
You do not look authorized to me. But this is a nice view of the Pentagon.
Yeah, this is cool.
You can really see from the angles that it is in fact the Pentagon.
But I want to find the memorial, so.
Oh yeah, I want to find the memorial too. Okay. You guys, we really wanted to show you the Pentagon Memorial. When people think about 9/11, they always think about the Twin Towers and forget that an airplane came and hit the Pentagon and people, obviously in the airplane, but also in the Pentagon, passed away. This is the most beautiful, just kind of heartbreaking memorial. They have the names of the people who passed and then little things for them.
184 people is what this memorial honors. And the benches start from the youngest, people that died, all the way to the oldest. The youngest being only 3 years old.
It's very powerful when you're in the middle of it because it just gives you a sense of how many people passed away. It's all these benches. We are moving away from the Pentagon. You can see the Pentagon Marina out there. And on this adorable bridge, getting back, where are we getting back to?
To Mount Vernon Trail, and we're gonna take that to the Arlington Cemetery.
To Arlington Cemetery. All right, let's do this.
All right, well, we made it on the Mount Vernon Trail. This trail has spectacular views.
Really does.
Kennedy Center, National Cathedral.
Washington Monument, of course.
It's awesome. It goes for miles.
Really nice trails. Okay guys, we have made it to Arlington National Cemetery. And right behind me is the Women's Memorial. And that has very special meaning for me. The this weekend because we are here in DC for my daughter's graduation from Georgetown, but also her commissioning as a second lieutenant in the U.S. Army. I'm gonna be emotional. Anyway, I'm so proud of her and really hoping for the best for her. And let's keep this thing going. Wow, this is so pretty. We're getting towards Teddy Roosevelt.
My leg's starting to crash from no glycogen.
Are you getting tired? Yeah.
Well, we haven't had like a snack in so long.
I know. We were thinking we were going to sit at a cafe or something, but we might have to wait till we get all the way back to Georgetown.
No.
That food's going to be good though.
Yeah.
Woo.
Teddy. It's the multiple choice answer about who Theodore Roosevelt was.
Didn't he speak softly and carry a big stick? Was that Teddy? I think it was. I like that saying.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, don't act like a jerk.
Yeah.
But if somebody gets in your way, thump them.
Is that why you always carry your hiking poles?
Yeah, that's my poles or my big stick. 100%.
Channeling your inner Teddy.
My inner Teddy. I'm sure you guys will correct us if we have that wrong, as we often do.
We're always getting corrected.
All right, let's run this thing.
Adam once again leading the way straight off trail.
Well, to be fair, there was sort of a side trail that went down by the water.
Yeah.
We were on the swamp trail and I was like, I wonder if there's one that just goes right by the water, but apparently it's not really a trail. It just comes down to this little maybe like camping area or something. You notice we're now just kind of limping along. I think we hit the proverbial wall at about 21 miles.
I'm so bonking right now.
Elise.
Yeah.
We voted you off the island.
What? I think I would win.
It's time for you to go.
That is so harsh. The home stretch.
Home stretch, guys. We just gotta get across this bridge and find the Exorcist steps and run up them for our final sprint. And then find some food.
Yeah, sounds like a plan, man.
We reached it. You ready? Let's go. Holy crap, these are steep. These are the steps from the movie Exorcist. And if you don't run the whole thing, you will be cursed, so don't stop.
What? Are you serious?
Well, that's so the story goes. Holy moly, my legs are dead. This is a hard way to end a marathon. Oh,
I'm not cursed.
come on.
I am not cursed.
Woo.
Oh, if only someone could exorcist the hanger right out of my body. That would be amazing right now.
That was a challenge.
What a way to like end a marathon. Why did we do that?
I don't know, that's how my daughter said you're supposed to end it.
Is this true about being cursed, or did you just make that up?
Well, you'll never know, at least, because you didn't get cursed. You made it up to the top.
I'll know if I Google it.
All right, we're gonna try to take you guys for a snack at a very famous eatery in Georgetown.
Last stop, right?
Last stop. You guys, we have made it to Martin's, the site of much historical DC wheeling and dealing. A lot of stuff has gone down in Martin's Tavern, including JFK proposing to Jackie. It's quite the spot, and we are very excited about this upcoming brunch.
Are you gonna propose a burger to me?
I like propose a burger. Skillet scramble, and look at Elise. Steak and eggs.
All right, well, we are just finishing our last mile with a lovely little stroll along the waterfront. The Kennedy Center is right behind us.
And the Watergate. Lots of drama at the Watergate.
So much drama. That was an awesome 26 miles, wouldn't you say?
Yes, my daughter claims that Washington, D.C. is the single best running city in all of America. And I have to say, after that marathon, I do not disagree. It's amazing.
Yeah.
You can do just, I mean, hundreds of miles along the river.
Yeah.
With beautiful like trees and incredible monuments. I don't know what else you could ask for.
So beautiful. Hope you guys had a ton of fun with us today.
Hope you guys love this one. Highly recommend following this route. It was great.
And we'll see you guys next time.
See you next time out on the trails.